How to withdraw application from Accenture. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your application from Accenture. So in order to withdraw the Accenture application, you need to first come to the Accenture's official website and just simply log into your account after going to the career section from the top menu from the home screen itself. And you can see that there are hiring journey, pro tip, and there are so many other options. So you can also search for the jobs while clicking on the search for the job option, and you can find one job for yourself. And in order to withdraw the application that you have already applied in the Accenture, so I have found the solution for the same in the Glassdoor's official website. So it says that you cannot withdraw your job application, which is the truth, that once you have applied for a job in the Accenture's official website through online form or through some contact, you won't be able to withdraw your application. What you can do is, once you get selected and you got the interview call, all you can do is just simply reject them or ask them to ask them that you are not interested anymore, or you can provide them some reasons that you have found another job or you are not interested anymore in the same profession or in the field that you have already applied. And the Accenture team will understand your concerns and they will not force you to join anyways. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to withdraw the application from Accenture. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.